Welcome to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the Lencent FM transmitter, known for its outstanding features and performance.
Stay tuned as we explore why this is the best choice for upgrading your car audio setup.
The Lencent FM transmitter has been making waves in the market, and for good reason. It's packed with features designed to enhance your driving experience. Whether you're streaming music or taking hands-free calls, this device promises seamless integration and exceptional sound quality. One standout feature of the Lencent FM transmitter is its crystal-clear music streaming capability. Equipped with anti-static technology and powered by CVC noise and wind suppression, it ensures a full duplex sound quality.
You can enjoy your favorite tunes via Bluetooth, USB flash drive, or micro SD card. Supporting various music formats including WMA, MP3, WAV, APE, and FLAC. Need to charge your devices on the go? The Lencent FM transmitter comes with two USB ports, a 5V 2.4A and A5V1A, allowing simultaneous charging of two devices. It's not just about convenience. Built-in protections like overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection ensure safe charging at all times. Safety on the road is paramount, and the Lencent FM transmitter delivers with its hands-free calling feature. Bluetooth connectivity paired with noise suppression technology and echo cancellation guarantees clear, distraction-free conversations. Plus, you can receive voice navigation directly through your car's stereo from your smartphone's app, enhancing your driving experience.
Ever wondered about your car's battery health while driving? The Lencent FM transmitter displays your car's voltage when plugged into the cigarette lighter, keeping you informed and prepared. Additionally, its blue ambient light design not only adds a stylish touch but also simplifies operation for safer driving, especially at night. Users love the Lencent FM transmitter for its wide compatibility with most smartphones and devices equipped with Bluetooth. It automatically reconnects to your last paired device upon power on, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time. With a transmission range from 88.1 MHz to 107.9 MHz, you can enjoy stable and interference-free music playback wherever you go. Wrapping up, the Lencent FM transmitter stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car's audio capabilities.
With its robust feature set, including crystal-clear music streaming, dual USB charging ports, hands-free calling, and intuitive design, it's clear why this device has garnered so much praise. If you're ready to take your driving experience to the next level, click the link in the description to get your own Lencent FM transmitter today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest tech and gadgets.
Thanks for watching.